So I'm ready. It's 6:30 a.m. in the morning and I am about to go to the airport to catch a flight to Delhi, from where I'll be taking a train in the afternoon today to the hills.
You do wrong when you know what is right, just to feel the rush. And you might jump when you know you're too high, just to feel alive. And we all keep searching for the innocence, even though it seems too good to be real. And we all keep reaching for the second chance to feel. Oh, I'm looking for a young love tonight. Oh, I'm looking for love. And oh, I'm looking for a young love tonight. Oh, I'm looking for love. I'm looking for love. I'm looking for.
Heavily crowded, just like all the railway stations in India. Train is delayed by 10 minutes. There's too much chaos here and I am not understanding what I am shooting. So I'll be back in a while. So this is Haldwani, guys. Staying in a hotel called White Hotel. It's a good property. I like the room. It's very clean and the view is pretty nice. My balcony opens up, my room's balcony that is. Haldwani basically is a very small town located in Uttarakhand. It's actually 9th of December and it's pretty warm actually. December tends to be really cold here. It's around 4 p.m. I think we have another hour for the sunset. It gets darker also very early. Morning. So last evening we came to this place after a drive of about 30-40 kilometers from हल्द्वानी. अभी हम लोग यहाँ से जाने वाले हैं सातताल और उसके बाद वहाँ से नैनीताल जाएंगे. parking, we'll be going in a taxi to Sattal first. This is Sattal. So because it had 7 lakes, यहाँ पे 7 तालें थी, तो इसलिए इस जगह का नाम 7 ताल है. इसमें से जैसे वो ड्राइवर ने बताया कि 3 सूख गई और 2 बची, और 2 कहीं और है जहाँ हम शायद अभी जाएंगे. ये हनुमान ताल था जो अभी आपको दिखाया, जो कि सूख गया है. और जो 7 ताल जो मेन हमने देखा वो 2 रिवर्स थी जिसको बीच में से तोड़ दिया गया बिकॉज ऑफ ओवरफ्लोइंग ऑफ वाटर, जो अब 1 हो गई. climbed a little up on the hill and you see that finally we've reached Nainital and we're going to check out the city. This is a beautiful mosque right in the center near the parking. And there's this lake where we have to walk a little. So we'll go check out the lake. Jackets and woolen clothes. This mandir is right in the heart of Nainital and it's really old. I'll tell you when was this built, and this is of utmost importance to tourists, so we'll go check it out just in a while. Behind me is the Naini Lake. You can check it out. It's getting colder. All the other things and the beautiful lakes, Nainital is also famous for its scented candles, and we checked out some candles in the market here in Tibetan market, and we bought some, I think. Just exploring the whole market here. In the market now, I think we should go and eat something. Those momos, I feel really good. They were really tasty. And now we are strolling around the mall road here in Nainital, checking out places.